Hello family, I hope everybody is fine. I'm the Roman Colosseum. I'm very excited. Colosseum is a wonderful place. It's very historic and very beautiful. This photo shows the inside. The guy says that great care is required to preserve the monument. Its construction is impressive. We can describe how wonderful it's a great entertainment center at that time. I really like the weather. Consider. That's why I'm wearing a shirt and jeans with sandals. Rome is very organized and clean city. It's very iconic. It is found in Italy and visiting the tourist sites in its streets. A special greeting to everyone. Good luck there.